There's an African-American writer, an amazing writer, his name is Frederick Douglass, who he has this great line. He says, "It is easier to raise strong children than repair broken men." And that is a line that all of us who are parents, who care about this issue, should consider deeply. It's a lot easier to change yourself when you're 16, 17, 18 versus when you're 40 or 50 years old. We're all creatures who have a certain momentum to who we are and a certain set of qualities that become ossified as we get older. But this basic idea of shaping ourselves and crafting ourselves, I would say the glory of the gospel, the glory of Christianity is transformation. It's taking people who were one way and they become a different way.